In the local curries, no one seems to be inviting. There's some new machines, so I'll do it quick. Ish. Twitter. Inverter. All seem to have inverter now. For what they are, these are really good machines. Really good. This is quite surprising. And cable one. No. But you got me know if they come over. Otherwise, big cable, architect. I know that. You know what we like.
AI performance with the Samsung Galaxy Book 5 360 with Intel's Core Ultra 5 processor powering Intel Evo Edition. Experience unmatched performance and speed for multitasking, extended battery life, and seamless computing for all your needs. Whether you're working or creating, the Samsung Galaxy Book 5 360 delivers the power and efficiency you need to stay productive and entertaining. Plus, as a Copilot Plus PC, you can enjoy on-device AI tools like Co-Create, Windows Studio Effects, and Live Captions. Galaxy AI capabilities right at your fingertips. Find the Samsung Galaxy Book 5 360 in store today. In-store prices lowered. That's right. Right now you can save up to £60 on installation in selected large appliances. So, has there ever been a better time to get yourself a new washing machine, oven, hob, or dishwasher? Well, to keep it short, no. Find your next appliance today. For more information, speak to one of our in-store tech experts. In-store offer is Tuesday the 29th of July. T's and C's exclusions apply.
do the tumble guys after, but in case I don't. These handles don't feel good at all, so don't. Really cheap. These are the Eco ones. Exact same tires. That one there pretty much. And that one. Them doors feel better. I think it's because they've got that gap in them. I'm sorry, I'm talking quiet. I don't really like filming in public places. So don't, but there's 10 kilowatts of Pico metal drum. It's okay price for it too, you know. Massive 10 kilo drum. Model. Yep. This one's been discontinued. Same with this one. Mustn't have electrics and all here. These have actually became really good. I'm really shocked. Again, that's its style door latch. Even like the doors just again like them ones there feel a lot better. You know, it's come a long way. I don't think I have actually. Okay, interesting. Let's do these ones quickly. Just take my Samsung.
Alright.
No.
grams, it's light as air, yet tough and smudge resistant.
This one really
Thanks to its
sings and
premium
all, so
solar
it
liquid
does.
build. With up to 32 hours of battery
Oh,
life,
right,
a stunning
massive.
OLED display, and smart AI features with Copilot, it's built for life on the move. Find the Asus ZenBook A14 Copilot Plus PC in store today, or speak to a colleague to
Full
find
touch
out
display.
more.
It all seems to be going towards these displays now. So do Samsung have them? LG are about to have them. It isn't. These ones have grown on me quite a lot, so they have. Again, inverter motor. Instead of, they used to have brushed on these ones. That's quite nice. Active cars are quite nice. Really liked my one. heat pump. Makes sense though with a good heat pump. There's the matching tumble there, the Hisense washing machine with the big fancy display. Didn't realise I had that in stock, but there we go. I gotta come back there because I know for a fact I'm gonna wreck myself here. I've got Samsung's AAG E3. These Migos, this is a £1,400 one, and it has a plastic tub, made in Poland, and they can tell it's made in Poland because it doesn't say made in Germany on it, so it must be Poland, because you see that one, made in Germany, and proper metal tub. It's just very weird, as these are both new models, like £1,400 and you just don't get a lot with it, you know? I get more on my Asco, the basic one. I don't like Miele anymore, so not for me. Here I've got basic LG. Again, they're all on, it's amazing. 60, 55. Really good machines, quite liked mine, so it is. Especially for that price too, $350, really good. It does have quite a lot to it. Well, basic machine, but like, yeah, quite good. Then these wee ones, wee dinky things. 1400 spin. These have the original LT drum paddles. But the door is quite a small opening, as you can see between the two of them. So this one's absolutely insane. It doesn't have a drum light, but it has like everything else. Saw this yesterday and done a wee video on it, but I don't think I'll come on to YouTube. However, I didn't need an internet connection for a lot of the stuff on this, but you can talk to it. You can have a map view of your house, YouTube, smart things, timer. I'm sure that there must be like an app store on it, wouldn't surprise me. Connections, child lock. Just change the display. Again, yeah, Bixby microphone. So you can talk to it and start a wash that way if you want to. Liquid units, software update, white device. And then you have like pump clean auto dispensers and stuff like that. Yeah, so you can clean them. It is quite nice that they've put that on them, like. You can see, oops. There's a whole bunch of cycles and stuff on it. As you can see, go to cotton. Again, loads of options, detergent softener, 1400 spins max. Can have quick drive, but again, it's not the quick drive with the back plate, it's just quicker wash. Oops, didn't mean. You see 32 minutes for a 40 wash. And then the settings. But you can see like again smart things, dispenser care. Then you can have like drum cleaning stuff. And it's just so much. It's literally a tablet built into your washing machine, so it is. It's exactly what it is. So yeah, I thought that these would have been more expensive, but obviously not. I was expecting like £1,500 for them, but just over 1,000 is quite good for what all you're getting. You know, again, Samsung. These are more round ones, and of course you have this one. Facebook. Yeah. Again, this is a quick drive model. Oh, they all have pump clean now. That's really good. Again, you have quick drive. Got in 32 minutes. The drawer has like a wee push thingy on it, as you can see. Just bosh. Make it really quick because people have came. I did do a video on that one. £600. Big light up display. Won't turn it on, so I won't. Again. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.